Good evening, everyone. So, waiting for everyone to join, and today we'll plan the activities. Section number 5 we have today for HRM. Okay. So
Good
today,
evening.
good evening, Raksha. So I think just waiting for a few minutes, Raksha, and then I think we'll complete our exercise which are pending for the last session, and we'll just go for the class interaction today, which I have already sent you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Because I think on each and every Friday, I think we'll plan such activities only. That would be far better and make the sessions more interactive. I think so.
Yes, sir.
And definitely, we have a lot of actually people in this class who are well experienced and very good in their field. Somehow, we always like the subject we demands as well that particular discussion. So waiting, I think, for everyone to join. And I think today we have video interaction session. Definitely, I'll just switch on my video after 5 minutes of time, and then we'll start. Okay. So I'm just sharing my screen, and we'll just start on discussing right now because we have to cover up one exercise. Yes, I think now students are joining. Waiting for I think till 6:10, and then we'll start.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening, Mr. Anuj. Let me switch on my video as well. Yes, good evening, sir.
Okay, how are you, sir?
Yeah, absolutely good now. And I think it's very first time we are seeing each other. I think so.
Okay.
Yes, yes. So I thought to have, you could say, one interactive and lively session today. That's the reason I just dropped a message to everyone. They just kindly switch on your videos, and definitely we have an interactive session today. So you are still working today, I think, Mr. Anuj?
Yes, in office now.
Okay, but today is a holiday, na? It's Eid.
No, no.
Okay, you
because
don't.
because of the responsibility, all the day is the working day, sir.
Okay.
Depending on the priority of the work.
Definitely, it should be. I think so. Yes.
If want the leave, then I will take the leave 2 or 3 days, no problem.
That's perfect. It's great, actually.
Even Sundays also come for the 2-3 hours.
So, like the office is nearby to your house?
Near about 22 kilometers.
Okay.
Daily up down.
Fine. Okay. So I think I'll request everyone to kindly switch on your videos as discussed. I think as I dropped a text to you. So I think we can start discussion on those topics.
Already yesterday sent the WhatsApp to you.
Yeah, that is for the banking, I think, which I have told you.
Yes,
sir. And one more, I think, message I just posted, I think, today, if you might have read it.
I think Mr. Chandrabhushan is online. Hello, Chandrabhushan ji. Hello, how are you?
I think Mr. Chandrabhushan. Chandrabhushan, please kindly you have to unmute yourself. Hello, Raksha. Everyone, please kindly you can unmute and you can speak up. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Start, yes.
Sir.
So happy.
Hi, Anuj. How are you?
Yeah, absolutely good.
Fine, very fine, sir. Very fine.
So I'm just planning to have a session on Friday so that we have more and more interaction with the subject knowledge. I think so, and that's the reason I just planned that activity.
Hello, Raksha. How are you?
Yes, I'm fine. How's you?
Great.
Okay, thank you so much. Take care, family, and you also.
Yeah, you too.
Okay.
So just waiting for a few minutes. I think 6:10 sharp will start. So shall we start with the session first, or shall we go with the you could say the activity which we have to plan? Because I think few true false, fill in the blanks, and to few MCQs which are left to be discussed from the topic of HRP. So shall we go with the first that, or shall we start with the session directly? Yes, Shweta has joined as well. I think we can go through, I think, with that session first, and then I think at last we'll go for the exercise.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is perfect. That is perfect. So shall we wait? I think 5 more minutes. I think 6:10 sharp will start.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, so I
Okay.
think activity which I have sent you, I think everyone has read it properly. And I just want, because definitely there would be few students, those who might not be like working right now or might not have that much industrial or professional experience. Definitely they can give your opinion, give their views about the exercise which we have planned to discuss today in the session. Okay.
Yes, sir. I am one of them who didn't have experience.
Oh, that's it. That I think we just want actually, because as of now, even I know something about Miss Poonam and Anuj, and yes, there are the only few students about whom I know exactly from where the person belongs. And this subject actually demands like because if the particular person will share their experience, somehow it will be helpful for everyone, even for me as well. Because I learn a lot from Mr. Anuj always, because he discuss a lot of things with me, and it's always you could say very beautiful for us, because being an academician, we don't have much experience regarding industries. Okay, even I will also introduce myself, what exactly my journey is before this academics, where I was, how it started. And I'm very
Yes.
younger to Mr. Anuj actually.
No, sir, no, sir. Because of the lot of things is going on, but my experience and the past experience is lot of thing is up and down. But nowadays, working climate, just already tell that must be create the eco-friendly on the plant. That means every person work nicely without any stress.
Yes.
This is a very, very common thing or very useful thing
Yes,
for the
definitely.
plant.
So just I think we should start. I think so. It's already
Okay, sir.
right. Okay, so Mr. Anuj, shall we start with you? We just need introduction from your side, and we just want to have your experience in the context of HR. Everyone, please. Okay, the points I think which we have mentioned. Okay, I just need we just need actually the experience from you first, or if you want, shall I start first, and definitely one by one you can go through.
Okay, one by one they will start. No problem.
Okay.
Sir, my experience regarding the paper industry plant from the 95 batch pass out from the IIT Roorkee.
Sorry. Yes.
And start my career with the paper plant of the from Gujarat. And after that, so long, 27 years now is going on for the paper industry. And nowadays, I am the unit head for the paper plant at the Meerut, Devpriya product. And lot of things is learned and lot of things is given to the others in my the careers.
Okay.
And in that area, I think I enjoy also, but some up and down is going on every person. But don't worry, don't go negative side. My opinion is always don't go negative side in any circumstances.
Okay.
Because you go negative, then your mind is blocked.
Yes, definitely.
When the mind is blocked, then you cannot think any much more. Because plant, so many things is going on in the plant regarding the progress, regarding
Mr. Anuj might be
you always open your mind.
Yes, Mr. Anuj, just only first question from you actually regarding that interaction. Like, as you know, as I think everyone knows that you have very vast experience of at least 20 plus year in the industry. We just want to because you are managing a very big team actually into your company. Okay. And the one of the most, you could say, important challenge in front of you, like we are discussing about the negative aspect. Okay. Because there would be certain people which come to you and may complain about the company, may complain about
all the team, my team already involved the team for the progressive side And for the removing the negativity of the pupils, I will share all progressive report to the down company progressive report.
Okay.
Because if they think the company is growing, then they will also think the positive. No, don't go the negative, and negativity is not come.
So how you manage, like any tips, any, like we talk about the
With
work.
with the interaction of the employees, you go and talk
Okay.
friendly and give the confidence. Don't worry, if they will go downward side, then you discuss with them and suggest what to do. And most of things you down the side, you also discuss everything.
Okay.
Then they will definitely not go negative and always go positive. This is my opinion. And also managing side, they will come fast with the company working and interaction with each other, and also interaction with the managers, me side. Then this is the best way to relieve the mind and plant a negativity or the employee negativity.
Okay, that's perfect. Sir, what about performance appraisal? Actually, the second question which we have, I think, for today's discussion.
For the performance, you always promote, give the best solution for problems
Okay.
in the easier way to the downward the employees.
Okay.
After they will give the performance, and also don't criticize the employees. If they will do wrong, then please listen that fellow words and also thinking. After that, you will give the solution.
I think, sir, one of the very important question I just want to ask, the fifth point we have, that is bad to the bone. Okay, like if you have the bad manager, the bad leader in the company, okay, so how you will tackle such situation actually? The fifth point which I have mentioned actually.
On that condition, sir, bad situation.
Bad managers, sir. Like because first of all we need to define who are bad managers. Okay, they might have.
That is true. That is true. Who is the bad? Who is the going wrong side? But this is decision taking is very hard. But if it will happen, then you go for the working culture. You create the working culture. If you create the working culture, then that fellow is also working.
But is it practically possible? I think so.
It is possible, sir. It is possible. If you are not giving the responsibility to the person, then definitely that person not think positive side. If you give the responsibility and discuss with them and give the responsibility.
So one last question from you, actually, the last point I think we have: how to make potential employer fall in love with your company?
For the progressive server project, for the growing, how to grow the company and give the best result to the company. If I will give the best result to the company, then company will give love with me.
So is it possible, sir, in this present era? Because the pressure.
Because of your work, it is possible. Without work, anything not possible.
Okay.
If you give the best result with the working, then it is possible, sir. But you think the broad. You think broad and give the result. If you give the result, then definitely company will love to you.
Yes, great.
And need create the need. How to need create? Why the company required you?
Yes, definitely.
But if you give the result with the best performance after the best solution,
Hmm,
then
hmm.
definitely company will love with me.
Definitely. Thank you, sir.
This is
Thank
the solution. This is the solution in my opinion.
Yes, 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 absolutely, sir. Because like what I can actually assess after your conversation, you always talk about the positive side of anything. Because
This is the main. This is the main.
negative questions,
If
actually,
you go negative, then you
right.
don't give any suggestion to others.
Yes, yes, yes. Great, sir. Great.
Positivity is the main. Positivity is the main in the life also, in the industry also, in the human being also.
Hmm, hmm, hmm. Great, sir. Great, great. Thank you so much, Mr. Anuj. Thanks for.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Yes, Raksha. I think shall we start with you now? We just need your introduction first.
Yes,
And
sir.
if you have any experience in the past, we just want to know exactly how this thing, the 6 point which I mentioned, whether it is practically applicable or not. Jiva, I think then we'll start with you. Okay, is it okay? Jiva, yeah, sure, sure. Thank you so much. Yeah, please, Raksha.
Yeah, hi all. This is Raksha, and I'm basically from Dhanbad. And I've just recently joined my MBA, and
Okay,
I'm working with TCS in Nagpur and having 4 years of experience. Previously, I was a quality analyst, and now I have been a processor for 2 years.
okay.
And I'm working on a client project of UK. And so the points you mentioned today. So practically, I think that second question,
Hmm,
uh, how performance appraisal don't work always.
hmm, hmm,
For my point of view, I don't think that appraisals don't work for employee. Yes, it's do work. We
hmm,
get frequent feedbacks from managers, and we work on it accordingly, like 6 months feedback, 3 months quarterly feedbacks, and we do work accordingly. And yes, what Anuj sir said that managers, yeah, should not criticize their employee. I mean, if they criticize, they will lose their motivation to work
hmm,
also,
hmm, hmm, hmm.
according to my view. Always
Yeah.
motivate their employee. Do not
Yeah,
demotivate it.
and that's a very beautiful thing regarding, because I learned a lot from him actually, because like even I had
Yes,
very personal conversation with him. He always talks very positive, and it's really we need to learn
yes,
actually, because in this era as well, a person having a vast, and that's a reflection of experience actually, we can say.
exactly.
Yes, yes. So Raksha, what about like performance appeal? Definitely we discussed. What are the other challenges I think you face, like whenever you're working, like you're working with TCS since last 4 years?
Yeah.
Like how's your journey, like from the very first day till today? How, what transformation actually you understood, or you actually feel when you're working with the
Yes.
TCS?
See, as a fresher, I have joined.
Hmm.
First of all, my experience was very good in TCS. It was
Hmm.
my first job with this brand of TCS. So I was very happy to join this company.
Hmm.
And I have learned a lot. Being a fresher, it was like we don't know what to do in Excels and how
Hmm.
we'll do reporting, how we'll talk to managers. I
Hmm.
mean, the manager and the leadership skills, we don't have anything. So while working with this 4 years, we
Hmm.
have learned a lot. I mean, I have learned a lot.
Okay.
The managerial skills, the leadership skills, everything. And being a quality analyst also, I have learned many things. And now, as a processor also, I'm still learning.
Okay, okay, that's good. And I think you have a long association with the TCS. That's a 4 years actually, a 4 year period of time.
Yes.
Like, how about the negativity? Because sometimes, like even like when I'm also working in various systems, and because I work at least plus 16 plus institution as of now. So when we discuss about the negative aspect, because everything, because we how we actually digest that negativity is one of the you could say very big challenge for each and everyone. Okay,
Yes.
so how the negativity part, or if you ever felt that negativity in the TCS?
No, no, I haven't felt any negativity. And even my manager, my boss also didn't demotivated us. Always they motivate us. And one thing to remove this negativity is, yeah, sir, in working with such a big company, uh,
Mm-hmm.
what I personally think is don't treat anyone as your favoritism. That
Mm-hmm.
yes, he is my favorite, or treat everyone as fair.
Mm-hmm.
Don't do favoritism, and yes, respect and do respect all and the trust. and build a trust among them.
Okay. So
Yes,
like
sir.
one more thing,
And
Akshay, I just want to
one-
ask some question regarding your HR experience. Because like sometimes what happens, like for example, right now the things are going work from home, and it's very difficult for the company to engage the workers. Okay, even like at the workplace as well. Like when you talk about like in the manufacturing industry, or even like when you talk about the retail sector, it's very
Yes.
difficult for the HR manager. The one of the challenge how you can engage them, because if once they get free, for example, you have work for like your timing is for 7 to 8 hours, he finishes work for in 2 to 3 hours or 4 hours maximum, for example, how you will engage them actually is one of the important thing in each and every organization. One of the important, you could say, one of the major challenge within the HR manager always faces, engaging
Uh,
the workforce.
yes, engaging the workforce. So what I do, same thing is on me. I complete my work in 3 to 4 hours a day. And what my manager do, he just gives me some extraordinary work, like this reports you need to prepare. He teaches me that this way you need to prepare this report. So in this way every employee is indulged in some new or other things and activities. Suppose I want to learn Excel,
Hmm.
how to how to prepare a report, how to produce that production reports and all. So I'm very keen to know all these things, so he teaches me. And yes, in my free time I just do all these things.
So that's the last, I think,
And the
one more important
trainings.
point. Yeah, definitely, Akshay. We have the one more last point we have, that is back to the bone. Like in your experience, like for example, in
I
the
didn't
future,
understand, sir.
that is
Sir, I
back
didn't
to the bone means
understand this
like how
question.
to face, how to overcome with that bad manager, or you could say bad leader in the company.
Yes, sometimes, sir, I lose my frustration, but I didn't show it. Yeah,
Okay.
I'm losing my temper or whatever. I just go for a coffee break. That's it.
Okay, okay, that's great. That's great. Yeah, thank you, Raksha. Nice interacting with you as well.
Thank you, sir.
You are from Dhanbad. Dhanbad is, I think, in Bihar. I think
Jharkhand.
Jharkhand. I'm really sorry.
Yes,
Okay, okay, it's in Jharkhand. Okay,
it's
fine.
in Jharkhand.
Yes, Deva. I think you are ready.
Yes.
Deva, please kindly unmute yourself, please.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, you're audible now. Please, please go ahead.
Uh, I'm from Seychelles.
Okay.
I don't know. I'm not too sure if I'm the only foreign one in the group.
Okay.
Maybe you can tell me if I'm the only foreign one now.
No, 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 no. We just want to know exactly what.
No, I mean, am I the only? Am I the only foreign person in the group? Foreign student? Am I the only one, or is
No, no,
anybody else?
no. Actually, there are a lot of students are there actually who have recently joined, and there are few. Actually, it's a hybrid batch we have actually.
No,
Very,
I mean outside from India.
yeah, pardon.
Am I the only one outside India who's in the group?
No, in our batch we have at least 10 plus students belong to different countries as well. But you are the one,
Okay.
I think, who join and who actually always interact with me, even like you are not running any session.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. I'm from Seychelles. I've been a teacher for 15 years, and I work for an Indian company last 2 years as a PRO,
Okay.
a construction company,
Mhm.
and I've been doing basically most for them, administrative and so.
Mhm.
And so I'm so used to working with lots of men,
Okay.
and so okay, the work I'm enrolled in now is a project. So I think I need this course. So after the 2 years, I can grow, because after the project is done,
Mhm.
I think I'll need this degree more to upgrade myself and have a higher salary and all. So, and yes.
Yes, Deva, I think so. Like one very important question which I want to ask, because definitely you
Yes.
belong to different country, you might have a different, you could say, upbringing, different setup when we talk about the working grounds. Okay, so even you might have an experience in Seychelles as well, and now you're working with Indian company. How the cultural diversity, I think, plays a very important role in HR or human resource. Cultural diversity.
Uh, uh, Actually, I think it's we basically have same thing around the world, but
Okay.
of course I've learned to know some different ways of seeing things, like how the Indians they see things and
Hmm.
how we see things here are different. But
Okay.
still, if you globalize or standardize it, it's still basically same. But still, we have some few key points different.
Okay. So I think, Jeva, with the very important question with you, again, like you might have definitely faced the first question, which I mentioned in the interactive session actually, how to manage workplace negativity. What would be your opinion on that?
I just have to be positive myself.
Okay. No, but actually, like
Yeah.
when we are working in a team, when we are working in a group, sometimes it's a collective effort, which we are talking right now. And
Yeah.
let's suppose you are working in a group of five, and you are the only one who is working really hard to achieve that target. Okay, and
Yeah.
definitely the appreciation and the credit definitely will go to the team. So how you will manage such situation in your life, or whether you will react on that, or whether you will actually like how you will deal with such situation.
Uh, Once you are positive yourself, then it's something that flows. It's very easy because I've been through lots of difficult and very hard when it comes to decision makings, and when it comes to the workers are giving lots of problems. They don't want to work. They want to rebel.
Hmm.
But once you are positive and you start some uh, positive aspects in front of them, then things just flow.
Okay.
But if you start to rebel yourself and to be negative, then it's very complicated and makes it worse, I suppose.
So Jeva, I think you're working with the same company since last 15 years.
No, I've been teaching before. I've been a teacher for 15 years.
Okay.
And last 2 years, I've been working with an Indian company.
Okay, that's great. There's one question I just want to ask you. Like when it comes to retention, actually, okay, retention of your employee. Like for example, if you're working with a company since last 5 years, 7 years, because we saw people actually nowadays the problem in not in India, everywhere, the people switch their job very rapidly. Okay, like for 1 or 2 years, they will job with one particular company. Once they got the appreciation or once they got the hike, they immediately switch the company. How the being a manager or being an HR manager, you can actually stop these practices and you can retain your you could say jams or your main employee in the company.
Uh, uh, Once is praising, okay,
Okay.
interactions with your workers, praising them, uh, participating with them, like I'm saying, having interactions with them. If you are self-centered and you keep yourself, okay, you are just giving orders. You do this is your response. But if you interact with your workers daily, or uh, uh, it's a bit difficult for them to stop.
Okay.
And it's very easy also to keep them. Yeah, I suppose.
Then one, I think last one question which I'm asking with everyone:
Yeah,
how to deal with bad to the bone?
stop and evaluate.
Okay.
You
Fine.
make a stop. You sit, you evaluate, you think uh, the do's, don't, pros, whatever, and is it the way forward or what next? So yeah, but
That
it's once you start to be agitated and nervous and being angry and negativity falls into you, then things starts to be very. Then the only way is leave or fight or so.
so Jeva, you know who was Abdul Kalam?
Sorry,
Do you know who was Abdul Kalam?
Abdul Kalam.
No.
This I don't think so.
Okay, fine. He was the president.
I
Yeah, he was the president of India. Okay, one of the president of India, we can say. He has actually mentioned one quote actually regarding the work. Okay, he mentioned that like you must need to love your, you could say, profession. Okay, like love your job, but don't love your company. I think if you might
yeah
have heard and read somewhere. What about your
yeah
reaction on that?
yeah. I mean, it's true.
Okay.
I'm like here, I would say, okay, I'm working for my country, but it's like the same thing, right? You just don't work for yourself, but you are working for your country, for your people, for not just the money for you to eat, but you're working to save your country, to save your community, to save every aspect of, yeah.
Great, great. Nice introduction, Deva, I think. Thanks a lot for your time. Thank you so much.
Okay, pleasure.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
So I think, Shweta, shall we start with you? Shweta, can you please unmute yourself? Then Ayushi, I think will I think you are the one of the youngest student I think in the class. So we'll get back to you after that, after Shweta, okay? Then please Chandrabhushan, I think we'll start with you. But waiting since long, I think. I think I'm just giving you the option to create the stuff. Okay. Yes, Shweta, please.
Hello, I'm Shweta. I'm working in pharmaceutical from last 10 years. So I've worked in multiple companies, but the good thing was that my first company was good and the manager was also very good. And what I feel that it's very important to have a good environment to work in, healthy environment to work in. And HR plays a very good, very important role in that, definitely. The very good thing which I like of all HRs working in so many organizations, they always have a smile on their face.
Yes.
So while in the morning or evening or even in the going back from the work. So I think that is very important. That is the thing the person when enter any organization, the first person he or she meet is the HR. Then the person step next to the working area. So I think that is very important part of them, how they keep it, how they maintain it, they know. Might be they have some training for that. So that is what I like. Then there was a point like if you don't have a good managers or the bone on the back. So the situation happens. Like it's not only managers, sometimes people around you are, and that is very practical. And I think it is in all the streams, not in art. So that is a life. You will get a mix. We like food which has all the mix, spicy, sweet, and every kind of taste. So that is, I think, the life is, and we have to go with all, work with all. And definitely, if someone is irritating us a lot or anyone, so it's better to walk away with any kind of excuse instead of having a discussion on that, because that would not be not be a healthy discussion. So better we move away from that place and then think over it and come back. So that's what I felt, and that is how thing actually works.
So again, like I think the same last point I think we have, that is how to make potential employer fall in love with you. You means with the company we are talking right now. So how exactly
you can. I think when we start our career, at that time we have if we get good people or we don't get, maximum we try to adjust and we stay in our organization a little longer. But what I felt and what my first manager told, that if you are in a company more than 3 years, then you are stuck. You cannot grow. And that is actually, if you move on, you learn also. And experience is just a number. It's how much we learn, that is very important. And actually, I'm also like a person who loves to move from one place to other. So whenever I change my company, we always see a new place so that we can enjoy the new city, new state.
So I think, don't you think so, Shweta, is it a contradictory point? Like, for example, like if I'm running a company right now, you join my company, you work for 2 to 3 years, you learned a lot from our side. We actually given a lot of resources to you, and you are just leaving the company after 3 years. Won't you think so? It is unethical.
I also gave my time and my experience, and your work was good. See, no one stopped for us. The company also doesn't stop for me, or it's vice versa. If I go, someone else will come. And with the time, people will engage in your daily life, and we forget people. Sometimes we get to meet or after some occasionally we call each other. So that is life, I think. That is very practical because everyone needs growth. And I think it's not the company is not good. Companies is good. All companies are good. No one is bad. But the thing is, if you don't get a growth in one organization, which is actually practically not possible. So you have to move ahead, and that should be taken in positive way by both the company and the employees.
So is it
And
like
that's the life.
more about boredom or monotonous work profile you have in a company? That's why you're switching?
No, I don't have a monotonous job. I was in quality control before, and now I'm in corporate office, and we have to basically deal with US people. So it is not monotonous. It was never a monotonous job. I was always working in a team. That is how pharma work. No one can say that I'm working alone because it has the multiple steps, and somewhere or the other we are engaged with each other.
Okay, so I think one last question with both of you, I think so, Raksha and Shweta, because usually like when we discuss in the Indian context, a lot of things we things about the harassments actually at the workplace. That's why reason I'm just asking the question to both of you. Have you ever faced such issues, and how you tackle if in case if this thing actually you might have to face in the future, because these things happens in the corporates, okay? Because you can understand my point actually. Gender diversity we are talking right now, the composition of the male and female workers working in the company, and especially the females actually in the Indian society we are talking right now. Somehow they face these challenges from society, from their bosses, from their colleagues as well. So how is there any experience you have, or if it is not, then in such situation, how you will tackle such situation actually, being an HR manager?
Being a HR manager, once I had faced such a problem, but that was like I entered a new with a group of new people, and the person he was actually the team leader in a high profile, and they have done some mistake, and now they were collecting the data, but I have my own role to play. So he tried to put all his blame on me, and I put me in front of QA person. So I was like, I told that first you point out what is my mistake. It was all done by you people, then please catch the people who have actually created the mess. Not because that person was QA was again asking your name is given, you tell. And I was I was not a very big experience at that time. It was just hardly 4 years or something of experience I was having at that moment. So what I did, I was actually the company's policies are also now becoming much better than I think what it used to be before. So women have that very safe in work culture. So I simply approached to them, and actually he misbehaved in front of whole team. So I simply approached to the HR and I told that this is the situation. And that person was like integrated, and then he has to leave the organization. So
So one last question from you, I think. One more last question, like regarding again the gender diversity I'm talking right now, because this is one of the major challenge, because people always, like what I experience in my life as well, people always shy to talk about gender diversity. People, I think, like for example, if I'm working in the institute, no one wants that the boss should be female. This is the mentality, the you could say the male psyche, we can say. Okay, it happens with everyone. So how you will like being an HR manager if you are, and your HR manager, like for example, being a male and the HR manager is female, the boss of the company is female. Does it affect, I think, on the working or the psyche of the male in the company?
Yeah, somewhere it does. It does. Many place people they have not only manager. Someone is above you and she's a female. Then people, some of them have. Some people they come and say, "अरे madam, आपको क्या जरूरत है job करने की? You have your husband working. Why you working?" So they have this. So simply, like what I feel that it is very sorry to say, but it is the environment, the society. So before changing that, we have to change our society. We should teach both being a girl or a boy that they all are equal. But just a few months back, I read a book. I don't remember the name of the book. If I get, I will put in the WhatsApp. It was written, this is problem not faced in India. The same situation is in outside our country also, being it a developed organization also. And the same thing is, and the reason was very beautifully written in that book, that when a girl is born, we always bring pink color, and the boy is born, we always bring blue color. And from the junior, we make a boy that tum to ladka hai, you cannot cry. And the girl is crying that हाँ लड़कियां रो सकती है अरे तुम तो लड़की हो तुम इधर नहीं जाओ you are a boy you can go so that has to change.
It's
If
stereotype
that
actually.
change then things will become good.
There's a stereotype
So
actually which has
that's,
been created in India, not in India actually, everywhere.
it's all over.
Yeah. Because I just want to add one point in this, because I just read one case study. If you might know the tennis, that is Wimbledon. Okay, in Wimbledon, yeah. So basically, this case study was all about, because when you saw that the female like Serena Williams and top players who play, and similarly in the male, you can see the difference of prize money is there. And I think this was a case around of 1990s actually we're talking right now, when there was a debate happened regarding the prize money to be distributed to male and female athletes. Okay, even like when we discuss about so many, you could say even like Indian cricket team, women and men, the drastic differences when we come to approach of the company as well. Okay.
The same is in our organization, even in all the stream. Like even if you talk about the big industry, like film industry, also have the same scenario, and that is not restricted to these big name of sports or film industry. This is to all the industry, being it pharma, being it engineering, or being the.
Yes. Shweta, I think you have muted. I think Shweta.
Sorry. So sometimes they have this कि girls को क्या करना है इतना रुपया देकर. They have that thought point. So that comes from very past part. So we need to change, and it will take time. It is not one day or a short period issue. Because it was like it's a male dominating society as everyone we sees. So somewhere or the other, we all have to work together. It's not one person. It's not even the HR. HR and the government can only make policies. The thing is that are we ready to accept it? That is the big question.
Yes. Raksha will get back to you. I think let's start with Ayushi as well. Okay. Yes, Ayushi, are you ready? I think so.
Yes, sir.
Raksha will get back to you. Okay, I'll just be ready with your answers. Okay. Yes, Ayushi, please. You can start now. You can introduce yourself first.
Sir, Ayushi Asodia from Gujarat.
Okay.
I just completed my graduation in 2020. In 2020, last year.
Okay. So you might be the youngest in the class, I think so.
And join MBA this year.
Okay, that's great. So like any input from your side, because you are, I think, not an experienced when it's come to that job and industry. So any idea regarding this, all the point which I have mentioned, I think?
No, sir, not that much idea, because we have HRM subject in only second year.
Okay.
And now I in this year.
Fine. I just want to only ask one question with you regarding the negativity. Okay, how you actually combat, how you actually fight with your negativity in your life?
Sir, it is the negativity is always in all our life, but we have to tackle it with positivity. We have to remain happy in that situation, and in that negative situation, we always think about the happy moment, so we can tackle it nicely.
Okay, great, Aisha. I think I won't ask much questions with you, because this is more about this like session interaction, more about like, because people having experience like Raksha, we had Shweta, we had Jeva actually in the class, Anuj actually we have in the class. It is more about like we want to know. You just listen to everyone, and definitely next time.
I understood all the points, but as I didn't have experience, so I can't.
No, it's okay. So next time I'll just, because today itself, because the main motive of this particular class is I just want to know my student exactly, because somehow even like when I'm teaching, the video is not switch on. Okay, I just want to have an image in my mind that who is Raksha, who is Anuj, who is Jeva. At least this is the way how actually even we can relate when it's come to online education. And somehow it was one of the most important session I was thinking to plan actually since long, because it's I think 3 to 4 months we have started these sessions of your first semester. So I was thinking to plan, and it's really, really fantastic pool we have in this particular batch to learn, I think, with each other. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you, Ayushi. So I think
Thank you, sir.
you can start with Chandrabhushan now. Then Rahul, I think, shall we move to you after that?
Yes, sir, you can.
Yeah, please. Thank you.
Good evening to
Chandrabhushan, please
everyone.
start.
Good evening to everyone. I'm Chandrabhushan Singh, and I have an almost experience of 7 years in Delhi NCR, and I'm working for multiple companies like logistic, warehousing, and maintenance, property maintenance. I am starting my career in 2013 in property maintenance, and thereafter I'm go for a logistic company, and then after I'm currently working in a warehousing company as an IR role.
Okay.
Overall experience is around 7 years during this period, and I have a good experience regarding in HR field as well, because IR is then part of HR, and before joining as an IR in current organization, I'm doing as an HR VP and HR and admin work. First of all, I want to say about the negativity. For handling the negativity, best way is you have to communicate. You have truth and transparent in your communication. When there isn't truth and transparent in your communication, you have effectively handle your negativity. One case I'm also like to tell you in this in my past organization, where there is a communication passed by a few managers and as well HR team as well, that the transportation going to close, but actual the communication was not to close the transportation, just shifting the route of the transportation. Like if someone is boarding from Gurgaon, now they were board from another stop from Gurgaon as well, but the communication was passed, negative communication was passed that we are going to stop the bus route. This will create a hassle in the employee, and around 70 employee comes and do almost like they are doing the strike. Then we just talk with them and give assurance that we are not going to close your transportation. And after getting assurance, they come and start their work naturally, what they do every day.
Okay.
So in my point of view, handling the negativity is best way to your communication is transparent and fair one.
Okay.
And make the people positive.
Okay. So like when it's come to this second point, I think so, Chandrabhushan, the second point we have in this particular study interaction we're talking right now, is it the performance appraisal always works? Like when you want to motivate your worker?
I think motivation and professional personal appraiser not always work. Sometimes because always employee would think that they in this appraisal they got much better. Even they think I am the outstanding performer. But when get the appraisal, it is an minimum average. Or you gave him average, or it's an normal increment. You employee think that they definitely get promotion, but they could not. Ultimately, they could not get at the end, and this will impact their career growth also. Sometimes employee switch off the company for that after raising their grievance as well. And several such types case was observed during my career also.
Okay, Chandrabhushan, one question I just want to ask you, because like when we discuss in HR term, always the work-life balance. Okay. Yeah. The work-life balance is usually the problem, I think, for most of us. Okay, because like when we come to our personal obligations, professional obligations, we always have, you could say, certain mismatches in that, because we are spending long hours in the office somehow. On the closing time, we are spending long hours. So does it affect somehow the, you could say, your mental peace, or does it create certain disturbance in your life? Or how will you cope up with such challenge? Being an HR manager, yeah.
Definitely, this problem is with everyone in current situation.
Hmm.
And in pandemic, it wasn't very vast
Okay.
because there is an online meeting
Hmm.
for each and every person, and the meeting is gone beyond the 6 p.m., 7 p.m. until 8, 9, and sometime 10 p.m. as well.
Hmm.
Then it is very difficult situation. And being an HR manager, we
Hmm.
just create a group and we advise to our all the team member, including operational support team, that you can't put any meeting after 6 p.m. All meetings should be scheduled in between 10 to 6,
Hmm.
because every employee having their personal what you can personal life, and for that you give some space to them as well. And this way we manage the personal life of staff. And while in previous time, for ground staff, we have mandate guideline issue to the employee, that they are what you say, the working timeline not more than 9 hours. If they do more than 9 hours, then we put a question to the manager as well, why she is doing more than the 9 hours if you not pay the overtime. And
The
spread
one
hour is
question I think which I have
total
again,
spread hour is 12 hours.
because this work-life balance, the major challenge right now is the misuse of technology, we can say. Okay, because what as per my
Yeah,
experience,
yeah.
like even we have, like right now, for example, I have just today was definitely a holiday, but usually like when you finish my classes 5 o'clock, we got a message on WhatsApp, we got a mail on, and definitely it's a WhatsApp somehow, or whatever you could say mode of communication we have. Somehow they have just got a meeting for reviews or assessment for an event, whatever we have in the office. Like even same with Raksha, I just want to make this point as well, because somehow in your company it happens that like you need to clear some certification, you need to clear some assessment and trainings actually. What
Yes,
I
sir.
know actually exactly, I don't know about that.
Yes,
So
yes.
does it affect somehow the work life balance? I think
No, sir, we are used to it. So we need to complete it before the end.
right now, like for example, you might not be married, okay, some things are okay, your obligations are not that much, because definitely you belongs to a particular place and you're working somewhere. Definitely
Yes,
you might not have that obligation when it's come to managing your house, or because being a female,
yes.
this problem always happen. Not about the female only, I'm just not a particular gender bias right now. Okay, is it somehow the problem which you face regarding this?
So see, I personally, I was staying in Maharashtra, so I have to maintain both. In this pandemic, in the lockdown, we have to we have a work from home, so we have to give, I mean, 16 to 18 hours of work, and then we have to manage. I was staying in PG, so we have to cook by ourselves. So everything we have to do. So uh, I don't think that, yeah, sometimes it's very hectic, but we need to manage, and we should know how to manage both the personal and professional life both.
Okay, fine. Yes, Chandrabhushan, please continue with this topic.
Yeah, actually, when the designation is grow up, this will personal life and professional are mix up when you grow up and your designation continuously on upward. As you get your designation change to manager or senior manager, director, your responsibility get more. And for during that time, your personal life and professional life mixed up.
Okay.
Because anytime your downward employee will call you, sir, this aisa situation hai, what to do, what help, then you have to provide the help. For that you have also required to call to operation team as well as your senior member also, if required support team or FST, or sorry, security team, you have to call for that.
No,
And
actually, like being
accordingly your designation
yeah.
goes change.
If I just mention this particular,
It is mixed up.
yeah, sure, yes. Because being a lecturer, like we are not teaching for one college. Definitely, we are dealing at least with 5 to 6 colleges as of now. Like we always face this challenge when it's come to WhatsApp. Like definitely, I'm just texting you one night in around 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, because whenever I get the time for that, we usually face
Definitely.
lot of things, because if you won't see, because I just don't open my WhatsApp usually, okay, but when I see my messages, you will find at least 1,000 plus unread messages I have in my mobile phone, okay,
Definitely
because
it will
we got
happen.
a message from a lot of students. Definitely, like what I personally follow when it's come to work-life balance, I don't, because like once I just finish my class at 7:30, I never ever touch my laptop. I never touch my mobile phone at all. But definitely for sometimes you need to work, and I think
This,
it depends from like you talked about the hierarchy actually. I
this
think
is
so.
actually depends on the situation to situation. If
Ah.
situation is good and there is not an urgent issue, then everybody will say, okay, we'll see you tomorrow. You can just do your normal work.
Thank you. I think
But
thank you.
situation get worse or situation get tense.
Okay, okay.
Then
Thank you. I think we have some other student as well to go for. Shweta, you want to say something? I think.
Yes, only one line that he's right. Like working, some people. In fact, sometimes happens that your colleague he only work 1 2 hour extra,
Mhm.
and then your manager says that then she can work or he can work. Why can't you? So this situation also happens.
Yes, yes, yes.
Comparison is also there sometimes.
Yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, Chandrabhushan. Okay. I think we can start
sir,
with
one more,
Rahul now.
I think,
Yeah.
sir, one more experience I like to share here.
Yeah, sure, sure.
For your bed to bond, bed
Yes,
to the
yes.
bond. In such condition, what we deal that we first counsel the manager when it's found that they were harassing the employee or misbehave with their download employee. We just we counsel there through HR partner. Then IR also required. They also counseled. Even though they continues their behavior not get changed, then finally we have to issue the warning letter, first warning letter, second warning letter, then so-called letter, and finally we have to fire that types of employers only,
Okay,
not
okay.
everyone. And this
Thank you.
process is more helpful to maintain our harmonious culture in the organization. Thanks.
Okay.
Thanks.
Great, great. Thank you, thank you. I think we should start with Rahul now. Rahul, can you please introduce yourself and a few inputs from your side?
Hello, sir. I'm Rahul Goswami. I'm audible.
Yes, yes, yes. You're audible. Please continue.
Okay. So first I start from my self. So I'm from Chinwada. It is in MP, and presently I am in Bridgestone Corporation, Bridgestone India Private Limited, from last 15 years.
Okay.
Before it, after completion, my B from SATI, Vidisha, that's also in MP. So that's I selected in Cognizant, and then suddenly some issues are in my right hand. Boil, it's the Balto. So that's in my last paper. So already is my last paper having very much blood on my paper. So definitely I think about that. Okay, then I must be one more semester should need to give. So that's why I not joined the Cognizant. And then after my final paper, then I again selected in Tilip Buildcon. And then I continue with this. And this is the name, something is going in with my life is movie type.
Okay.
Then after this is my second selection. And then I get training from Ashok Leland.
Okay.
Ashok Leland, the engine assembly section in 3 months. And after that, I think I am a very high knowledgeful person.
Okay.
And that time there is some ego issues in with myself. So after that, I joined Bridgestone India.
Fine.
In 2007. And then I start work there. And after that, I learned something. This is not a school time. When after the confirmation, then my first appraisal is coming, and then I learn from the activity that this is not a school. It is not depend on your knowledge. You give the paper, and based on the result, you are coming top grade and second. But this is a actual life.
Persis, I think we'll start after with you. Okay, Persis.
Yes.
Is it the right pronunciation? I think for your name.
Yes, Persis. It's Persis.
Persis. Is it so?
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
I will continue. Sorry for the interruption. Yes.
Okay, sir. And then, so when you are in junior in your organization, that time is must be clear that you work with your team. This is the first.
Hmm.
And then you must love your work, not your company, because no one is perfect and no one can be perfect
Definitely.
anytime. So to improve yourself by hook, by crook. And when you improve yourself, you love with your work
Hmm.
and you get very much experience. And when you get the experience, the surrounding peoples also respect you, start to respect you.
Hmm.
Because he know this person is having great knowledge. And then when your era is in your background, that you are BE, you are MTech, and then you have many lots of work done for the company for your section, because I did 16 kaizens in Bridgestone
Okay.
at present, and I have 13 legendary awards in my company. So that's why this type of words I uh, telling here.
Hmm.
So
Yes,
after after you create your arena,
Hmm.
then no one argue with your planning, with your working. And that time for sir, so I start with your points now.
Hmm.
How to work manage negativity. So for the manage the negativity, if negative in your negativity in your boss, so that time definitely uh, because he is in boss in your organization, it's mean that this person is definitely suffering from some issues. Maybe
Hmm.
this is the physical issue because the age is very high, and maybe the financial issues because after certain life they are having some issues with that. The personal issues is there. So first to need to talk with your boss
Hmm.
that
Hmm.
what is this arguments is coming. And for your juniors now, so juniors is that because they are having some acceptations from life, and already because now in your team, if you are in your team having the 20 persons, so
Okay.
out of 20 persons you having some criteria,
Hmm.
that 10% having the higher side, after that 40%, 30% have the second. So we make a pyramid, and based on this pyramid we are giving this appraisal.
Hmm.
So that's why you should uh, inform and take some meetings for your colleague about this negativity if he face some issues in there, no? And
Okay.
performance appraisal for
No, actually, I
employee
just
already I said. Yes,
Rahul,
yes,
I have a
okay,
new
okay.
question actually for you. Okay,
Yes,
because
yes,
I just want to
yes, yes,
ask you, like,
yes,
what about the confidentiality when we ask from the perspective of HR? Okay, because we saw actually these
yes, yes,
cases
yes,
not in India but throughout the world. The confidentiality of the information or the personal data of your you could say your employees, somehow the breaching of the trust of your employees, how the HR manager, like, because as we know that like even the Raksha is working in TCS, we saw Shweta actually working in pharma, Anush sir actually is working with the industries of paper industries, like even I am working with the colleges. How this particular confidential, because sometimes, like for example, if I am facing, if I got to know something from my office or very confidential information we share with your spouse, with your family members, but the sharing those information with your colleagues itself, how the HR manager actually will focus in such situation, or how to deal with
yes,
such
sir, yes, sir,
condition.
yes. Regarding the information sharing,
Mm-hmm.
so if you person to person information sharing, so they never react on it. But if in by the digital way, like your emails, like your WhatsApp. So that's why in group chatting is not allowed for in our organization na. And our IT sales having very high type of softwares. So if any person interact with other na, that that time we are having some sales
Okay.
like having one team.
Hmm.
And for other issues also like the bifurcacy
Hmm.
and some other issue and whistleblower policies also we have in our company. So policy wise our company is very strong.
Okay, okay,
And
that's great.
yes.
Yes, great, Rahul. I think nice interview. Because a lot of things I think you want to say. I think as like what I can
Yes,
understand
yes,
from the
yes.
reflection, but because of the shortage of the time we have to
Okay,
cover a lot of
correct.
students today. So
Yes.
thank you, Rahul. I think later on, whenever we will plan one more exercise in next week, I'll give more time to you. Okay. Thank you
Okay,
so much,
no
Rahul.
issue.
Thank you. Thank you. Nice
Thank
interaction.
you. Thank you.
Yeah, one question I just want to ask you,
Yes,
Jiva.
sir.
Am I audible? Jiva, am I audible to you? I think Jiva, am I audible? Yes, yes, sure, sure. Jiva, one question regarding the language diversity. Okay, because you belongs to Seychelles and you are dealing. You understood anything in Hindi? I think because you are working with Indian companies now.
It's all my friends and my family, when they see me, they come around my house and they ask me, how do you understand this? When they talk, they are talking so fast.
Okay.
It's very difficult to understand, but I think I can manage. I'm so used to the language now. I
Okay.
can understand some few words and some sentences, and I can try and manage how to cope with the way of your speech.
So, Jiva, I think ever you face such issues regarding the language barrier or language diversity?
Yes, sir.
Can you explain?
Like here in Seychelles, we have lots of foreign workers. We have many foreign workers, and it's most of them, not most, but lots of them, they don't understand English very well. And it's very difficult to make them understand. Sometimes you have to use a language. Now, sometimes you have to use translator on your phone, but at some point you manage of. It's a small world. You have to manage something.
Definitely, definitely.
Yes.
Thank you, Jiva. Yeah. Yes, yes. Persis. Am I right? I think I pronounced it right this time.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please continue.
I'm Tesis and I'm from Gujarat. I have completed my MSc in critical care and I have been working as a tutor also. And right now I'm working as a matron in hospital.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
you belong to Gujarat, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think when it's come to like one question, because there are a lot of questions we already covered up. So I'm just preparing some questions to ask with everyone when it's come to HR. Like it's always one of the challenging tasks for HR. Like when we talk about managing this workforce, okay, and when we discuss about this emotional stability, like for example, you might have something going on in your family, and still you have some pressure from your company as well regarding work pressure, the deadlines, everything you always face. So, how this emotional stability can be managed by HR in the organization?
First of all, if you are a leader, that depends that what kind of leadership you are following. Like, is it autocratic or democratic? If you are open with your colleagues or your employees, they will come to you, will share their problems with you. So that time you can support them, and you have to be with them professionally also. So first of all, you have to understand the human means psychology of human, means how you can manage their conflicts or any anxiety, or how you can support them.
Okay.
So according to that problem, you can support them.
Perfect. And like one thing which I want to ask regarding that same question which we're discussing, I think so. I think
Yes.
we are always talk about the change management, okay? Because as we know that the work culture, the work profiles, the attitude, how the even company is managing their workforce, everything drastically changed. I think when we talk about the 21st century because of technology, because of you could say some other factors. Any
Yes.
experience which you have regarding the change management?
Uh, as I said, that depends on your leadership. Then you have to take some trainings if there is any changes in software or any new machines are there.
Hmm.
So you have to keep continuing educating them, and you can also take a round if they are any confusion is there. Then that time you can support them.
Okay, okay. Like one last question, actually, Jay, I think presses that there are certain, you could say, aspirations of different employee,
Yes,
like
sir.
100 plus we have in the company. How to manage the aspiration because these
Mhm.
aspirations are heterogeneous. Okay, and implication of all the aspiration definitely it is not possible for the company. Okay, how this aspiration may be managed?
uh, no idea, sir.
Okay, this is just because like if you be at that position actually being an HR manager, how the aspirations may be managed because it's one of the challenging tasks when
Actually,
you.
I'm not HR manager. I'm working as a matron, means I'm leader of nursing
So for
only.
example, you have your own aspiration from the company. You are very actually inclined towards your company. You're very loyal to the company. Definitely, you have some expectation because this is human nature. We are actually social animals. We can say okay, and we somehow get connected with the company. And after that,
Yes.
because we have definitely certain sort of expectation from the company when it's come to salary hike, when it's come to working environment, my promotions, everything. What sort of aspirations you have from your HR manager after down the line after 5 years or 10 years?
Actually, in my hospital, we have some policies like we do increment after 1 year, 10% increment. Then, if you are a good experienced person, then we will give you a good post according to your experience, according to your education. That's it.
Okay, okay, okay. Great. That's great, Persis. I think nice talking to you as well. It is Persis. Am I right?
Thank you, sir. Yes,
Persis.
sir. Persis.
Persis. Fine, fine, fine. Thank you so much. It should just need a five
Thank
minutes
you,
of
sir.
break if it is possible. Only 5 minutes of break. Then I think we'll go with Mary and I think Mary was here actually initially, and we can start with her. And I think we're going to go for the exercise today as well. Okay, so that will complete. So just 5 minutes of break. We'll get back to 7:20. Fine.
Okay.
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 Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes, student. Shall we start? I think. I think Mary. Yes,
Hi,
Mary. I
sir.
think. Shall we start with you?
Yes, sir. Hi, sir.
Yeah.
Hi, all.
Yeah,
Yeah, my
everyone.
name is Celine. Yeah, my name is Celine. I'm from Tamil Nadu. I'm currently working in Saudi Arabia as staff nurse in operating theater, cardiac operating theater. So my experience and my field is very far from this topic. So I choose this course just to get a good promotion. Yeah, I can share my experience based on this topic.
Yeah, definitely. Please carry on.
Yeah. So workplace negativity, sir.
Yeah, sure.
So for me, teamwork. I can explain that uh, for in a day for a patient, as a patient, you're working as a teamwork. So teamwork is very necessary, and also talking and approaching with each and everyone with good mannerism. So, for example, in morning we everyone says good morning, how are you? And at the end of the day, we with a pleasure we say it's nice working to you, and thank you for the day. So it omits the negativity.
Okay.
And yeah,
And more mean to say, I
then
think
what can I
just to
say?
create a lively and the open communication system. I think.
Yeah,
Okay.
and solving the problems.
Mm-hmm. Yes, Ellen. I think, Celine, just one question regarding the like, because you I think you are belongs to pharma. No, you belongs to medical field. I think.
Yes, yeah,
Yeah.
medical field. So this topic is very far from the field I choose.
Yeah,
Yeah,
definitely. So you might be the frontline worker.
yeah,
Yeah.
of course.
So just kudos to you
Yeah.
first of all. Okay, the work which
Oh,
you
thank
people
you,
are
sir.
doing.
Thank you.
Okay, it's really
Yeah, thank you.
appreciable, and I don't know because I don't have words actually to express my gratitude towards you.
Yeah,
Okay,
thank you
but
so
not
much.
towards you,
Yeah,
only to the community as well. And I think
sure.
belated happy nursing day. I think it was. I think day
Oh,
before
yeah,
yesterday.
sure.
Yes.
Yeah,
Just one question I just want to ask you regarding this, you could say emotional and physical stability balances, because this is one of the challenge even being an HR manager, because somehow there are certain industry which require, like in your
yeah,
industry as well, when we talk about, you required a physical competence or physical core in your industry as well. But simultaneously, like definitely working in that atmosphere, working in that era, you must have some emotional stability as well, which is highly required or highly demanded when we can say for the efficiency of a worker. How these two
yeah.
things can be managed by HR?
So that they have to satisfy the staffs. So
Okay.
there offers many educational training like leadership training, then how to relieve the stress. They offer some yogas, and they also offer some trainings.
Mhm.
And then we do expect for the performance appraisal that with good E plus and S point. And then they also offer some discount for us. So
Okay.
as a medical field. So all this and salary increment. So we have like yearly salary increment, which is very good for us. We had some hazardous pay also.
So
Like if
selling,
we deal with the
yeah,
infectious,
sorry for the interruption. Please continue.
yeah, yeah. If we deals with an infectious patient, we pay a little much pay, which are motivating us, and
Mhm.
also we are going so many topics and continuous educations. Yeah,
So Selin, I think you are working in Saudi since how long?
this is my 10th year, sir.
10th year. And have you worked in India before?
Yeah, 2 years before. Yeah.
2 years. Okay. So what differences when it's come to cultural diversity, like workplace diversity, we can say,
Cultural diversity.
or workplace diversity? Have you ever, if you'll compare with the Indian working grounds and the, you could say, the Saudi working grounds, isn't difference?
There is so much of difference
Like, can you
for
please?
the salaries and person to person and the work environment. It's totally different from here, from India and from here.
Oh,
So
that's
it's totally different. So yeah,
great. That's great. Nice talking to you, I think, Celine. And
thank you, sir.
to you, and please be safe if you are still working
Yeah,
for the COVID patients or the COVID people.
yeah, sure.
Yeah, heads off to you, I think. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So I think Gopi is there. Okay, Gopi. Gopi, I think it's very first time you have attended my classes. Can you please unmute yourself? Gopi, can you please unmute yourself? I think. No, I think because other students are not switched on their videos, so don't think so. They are interested to interact, I think. Yes, Gopi. No, Gopi, you're not audible to us actually. Gopi, you're not audible. Because I have to just complete the exercise as well, and that I have to start, I think, in few minutes. I think who is B9318417? I think the name is not mentioned. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. So I think, student, we should move to that exercise which we have to complete today. Okay. So now I'm starting with that, and definitely tomorrow we have the doubt clearing session. Okay. So I think from the next Monday we'll start the next topic. Okay. So I'm just going through with that exercise now. Just give me a minute of time. You can switch off your videos now. Okay. Raksha, I think a few questions which were left with you. I think. Can you please wind up in few minutes, Raksha? The two questions. Yes, please. Yes, Raksha, please. You are
Yes.
audible. Can you please comment on those two questions on the
Which two
gender
questions?
diversity?
Oh, that harassment.
Yes. Regarding gender diversity,
Harassment.
how this particular atmosphere you face, any experience you have in the past, or in case situation arises, how you will tackle such things.
Uh, till now, I haven't faced any harassment in
Okay.
my premise in
Definitely.
TCS. And yes, the HR rules and policies are so strong and they are so strict that within the premise, you are safe, women are safe and secure. And yeah, in TCS, there are many classes, there are sessions. We say that martial art and for women's safety, women's empowerment sessions are going on. So each and every individual takes part in it.
Okay.
And yeah, I'm also the trainer to it for
Oh,
the
that's
safety, yeah, safety champions. And yes, I didn't feel any insecurity types. Even if we have night shifts like 2 o'clock log off, yeah, 3 o'clock log off, and the cab drivers are also, they're so well trained that girls won't feel insecure in this. And now they have started one policy TCS that if the last drop is for a girl, they have given a security guard that a last drop won't be given to a girl. First, a boy will have a last drop.
okay.
So I don't feel any insecurity working with this.
Good, Raksha. I think it's nice interaction. I think with not all of them, but at least few of them. Okay.
So it
So
seems like you are taking our interview.
actually, this is more about, because like if it is if I'll just give you an open hand to discuss, definitely you might not be able to give the you could say constructive opinion on that. Okay. So that's the thing. It's nothing but just I'm just interacting with you by keeping certain questions related to HRM only.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yes,
I think
sir.
definitely in the next Friday, definitely we'll plan one more exercise, and I'll just intimate you regarding the same in Monday and Tuesday only, so that you'll be well prepared for Friday.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you so
Yes.
much. So I think I'm
Thank
starting
you.
with the first 4 MCQ which I have. I think you can switch off your videos now, students. Student, I think can you please switch off your videos now if it is required, if you can. But now we have to go through with this exercises. Okay, this 4 MCQ we have. We'll give you 5 minutes of time for this, please. Okay.
Hello.
Yes, Persis, I think you have some query. Yes, friends, only 5 minutes of time, please. 4 questions. Yes, students. So, what about the answer for the first one?
So first cut implies
It is
Strategic plan of the
third one. That is the basic
third one.
HRP is strategic.
Strategic plan of the firm.
Point number third. The answer is third for the first point. Okay.
Yes.
Second
Yes,
one.
sir.
Yeah. Second one. Workflow
second
influence demand.
Fourth one.
Fifth.
Sales projection.
organizational design.
Fourth
A mix
Fourth.
projection.
Fourth one, sales projection.
Sales projection.
Sale projection. Okay. Workforce factor that influence demand. What will influence demand? I think it is sales projection or something else.
So strategic plans.
Strategic plan.
Expansion move.
Both the answers are incorrect actually. Because in what condition the workforce factors will actually affect? Like for example, if you are working. Yeah, please.
Termination.
Yeah, is it
Someone leave, then another person.
Yes. And somehow that termination, that enforced, you could say, kick off from the company may influence the demand. Yeah. Anji. Third point, please. The first factor in deciding the supply of labor is what exactly we'll do first.
Analyzing
labor market.
analyzing labor markets.
Is it so? Directly you will analyze the labor market or you will audit first?
Auditing, sir. Auditing present employees.
Auditing is the very first stage and preliminary stage and internal process of the company. First of all, you will analyze the requirement in the company, and according to that, you may plan like what exact number required for hiring in the future or hiring in the you could say near time.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Point number 4, please. Techniques of estimating demand of human resource. Is it approximation, rarely done, involve HR audit?
Fifth one, sir.
Employee skills inventory.
Fifth one.
Employee skills, fifth one.
Fifth one. No, it's not correct actually. Why fifth actually? Can you please give me the reason?
Involve HR audit.
It's
The
not
first one.
It's first one, yes. Because yes, Miss Poonam. Any?
Sir.
Yes, please, Somajit.
Yes, sir. Why not it is a strategic plan? Because it has the more means influence as compared to the other options. Because if we speak in the managerial terms, then this is more applicable, this option.
Which question I think you're talking right now?
I'm speaking about question number 2, workforce factor that influence the demand. Sir, why not this will be a strategic plan?
See, listen, actually what we are discussing right now, the workforce factor that influence demand. Because somehow what happens, like for example, if you're working in a company or if you're looking for a particular job in the market, and you always actually assess and you always actually be in contact with the past or you could say the ex-employees of the company. Okay, you always assess, you always identify the exact reality about the company, and then only you go for. So somehow the demand of the company is directly affected with termination you have. The number of terminate, the higher the termination, higher the demand would be.
Sir, termination here means output that comes out after the means production.
No. Termination means you are actually kicking off your employee from the organization.
Okay.
Yes. That
Okay,
is
sir.
what, yeah.
Got it.
You might have a different understanding because of this particular word. Termination is different because termination only the demand may directly affect.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. And for the fourth question as well, it would be approximation, because as I discussed in the previous class as well, whatever methods we have, and whether it is, you could say Delphi technique, whether it is brainstorming, whether it is, you could say suggestions or leadership output, all methods are mere an approximation we are talking right now. Okay. So fifth cannot be the answer of this. Okay, because somehow when you're estimating demand is basically cannot be based on employee skills inventory. Okay, because we are going for estimation of that, not exact. Because if you are talking about the skill set or skill level, the skill levels are basically always accurate and pinpoint which the company required. But approximation is all about the estimation. Okay, that's the reason this first answer would be the correct answer for the fourth. I hope so. I have given the right explanation and everyone understood why it is first.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Move to the true false. 5 minutes of time for this, and then we'll start discussing on that. Okay.
So the activity which you gave yesterday, the answers we have given was it correct?
Yes, correct. Because it is your own personal opinion which we are talking right now. Okay. So like I have received a lot of very good inputs actually from you as well. So I read that, and things were actually good. Okay, because somehow it's your own personal opinion. Because these things actually give us the idea regarding your thinking power, your mental, you could say, strength, how exactly you think about a situation. Because definitely in the upcoming weeks, I'm just coming with some exercise in the groups actually, where we will actually plan some class activities. The very first session we actually planned in this manner. Okay. So I just want to take a reflection how exactly the people think, and according to that, I can group the people. Okay,
Okay,
because
sir.
the intention was very different actually to plan this activity.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much. Because if I tell you the intention first, definitely you would be more manipulative. Okay, that's the reason. Nah. Yes, friend. Shall we start? I think. I hope so. You have noted down the answers. The first one, please. Human resource forecast can be very accurate.
False.
False.
Second.
True.
False.
True.
Okay, someone says false actually. Is it true? As definitely, because small scale unit benefit less than large scale undertaking from human resource planning.
True. True.
True, sir.
Yeah, please. Ayushi.
True, sir.
True.
Third one.
So true.
True, sir.
Is true.
True.
Is it true or false? Why it is false?
False.
Because basic for HRP is demand. And according to demand, we go for supply. We search for supply. I think kali baat kiya tha. We discussed this particular case in the last session only. Is the demand of employee. And after demand, you go for the potential customer in the market or potential target in the market. Clear? Hanji, next.
False.
The role of demographic estimating
True, sir.
employees is easy to predict. Why it is true? What is demographic?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Shweta, please.
Demographic condition, it somewhere affect the employee supplies.
Definitely, and it is easy to predict actually, because when we talk about demographic,
Yesterday you were telling also.
it is very easy because we have everything in number. Okay, and numbering and analyzing the numbers is very, very easy for the company, rather to go for subjective analysis. Okay. So it is true. Please point it. Fifth.
False.
So what would be the first step then?
False.
Yeah, what would be the first step?
Internal.
Auditing.
Auditing.
Yes, it's auditing first. Auditing is more about like, and more about like knowing about the market conditions as well. Okay, and according to that, we place the advertisement. Okay. Sixth.
So it's true.
Yeah, it's
True.
true.
Yes, true. Strategic plan become.
True, sir.
It's true. Yes. Point number 7.
So false.
False. No.
It's
False.
7 point.
True. It should be true. 7 point.
7th is true. Yes, definitely.
7th is
The
true.
only relevant labor market should be analyzed to estimate the supply, because you always need to go for the segmentation. And in segmentation, you target those employee, or you could say those people which may actually suit or fit to your company. Okay. 12. That's 8 point.
True.
Yeah.
True. True.
It's true, sir.
Fine. One last slide only. 3 points only. Meanwhile, please kindly mute yourself because it's creating some disturbance in the classes. Yes, student. First answer. What do we compare actually? Anji.
Job analysis.
No.
Skill set.
First one.
Skill set.
Yeah,
Skills.
skill set. Very good. Okay. Matching the skill requirement or comparing the skill set to meet the organizational objective, because what exactly the company is looking for, you always apply it first one. Okay. Second one.
Audit.
No.
Analysis.
Yeah, it is job analysis. Last one.
Job
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 objectives.
specifications.
Yeah, specific. I think I taught this particular topic, this same line to you. Job has include two things: description and specification in the very first or second slide. Okay. Shall student. So very, very perfect and a very, very interactive and very satisfying session we have today. And I think now we have the next session on Monday, but tomorrow we have a doubt clearing session. So if you have any query from this first week of session, you may join, else we'll meet you on Monday now.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and thank you so
Okay,
much. Take care.
Thank you so much, sir.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank
Hello,
you, sir.
sir.
Thanks.
Yes, Ayushi, please.
Sir,
Thank you, sir.
as I don't know about HRP, so I had prepared external factors. Can I send it?
Yeah, sure. Definitely, you can attend tomorrow's class as well. I think Ayushi, that would be far better.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
Okay, student, thank you so much. Please enjoy your
Thank
weekend.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye bye.
Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye.